Many organizations today rely heavily on Microsoft Azure for managing their data, spanning data lakes, warehouse, and analytics services. But managing multiple services separately can quickly become complex. As data ecosystems grow, teams often end up working across different Azure services like data storage, pipelines, and reporting tools, each requiring its own setup, integration, and monitoring. This leads to fragmented data workflows, increased engineering effort, higher operational overhead, slower time to insight. What organizations really need is simplicity with power. That's where Microsoft Fabric changes the game. Fabric unifies data engineering, data warehousing, real-time analytics, and business intelligence into a single integrated platform. Instead of managing multiple Azure services separately, everything works together seamlessly within one environment, powered by one lake and deep Power BI integration. This means faster development, easier collaboration, and a more connected data experience. However, transitioning from Azure-based architectures to Microsoft Fabric isn't always straightforward. Organizations often have complex pipelines, data models, and integrations already built across multiple Azure services. Reconfiguring everything manually can be time-consuming and risky. This is where Pulse Convert by Office Solution AI Labs comes in. Pulse Convert helps organizations streamline the transition by analyzing existing Azure data pipelines, transformations, and models, and converting them into Fabric-ready architectures. It reduces manual effort, accelerates migration timelines, and ensures continuity in data workflows. Moving from Azure to Microsoft Fabric is not just a migration. It's a step toward a simplified, unified, and future-ready data platform. And with Pulse Convert, that journey becomes faster and far more efficient.